morning, everyone. Please take a seat. Hey, Olga. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay, good morning, everyone. So let me hear from the clerk's office because it's your motion for clarification. Oh, hold on. Hi, just one moment. Hi, this is Judge Zabel. Who is this?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Alan Windsor for the state, and I'm in Tallahassee.
All right, Mr. Windsor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Respectfully, Luis Montalvo on behalf of Harvey Rubin, the clerk, and my co-counsel Eileen Mehta. Mr. Rubin is here. The clerk is here seeking clarification on whether the stay that this court ordered on July 25th will still be in effect tomorrow, we'll say January 6th.
All right. Let me ask you something. If I was to lift the stay today, are you prepared to go forward?
The clerk is prepared to follow this court's order. Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Cohen, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court. I represent the plaintiffs, most of whom are here, together with Christina Alonzo, Elizabeth Schwartz, and Edith Osmond. The clerk, as you well know, has moved to vacate the stay. Has moved for clarification of the stay. The plaintiffs have moved to vacate the stay, effective immediately. Some of the plaintiffs that will get the benefit of your Honor's ruling are actually here. Catherine Pareto and Carla Arguello and Todd and Jeff Delmay are prepared to leave this courtroom and go over to the clerk's office, apply for their license, which the clerk says will be issued pursuant to your Honor's order, and they will have the ceremony there. They will be married today. The state has not filed a response. I assume they'll tell us what they think, but we have a foreshadowing of what they think based upon their response in Judge Hinkle's case in the Northern District. I can't find any better words to tell you how important this is than the words that you put in your order. To deny this fundamental freedom on so unsupportable a basis as the classifications embodied in these statutes, classifications so directly subversive of the principle of equality at the heart of the 14th Amendment, is surely to deprive all of the state's citizens of liberty without due process of law. The 14th Amendment requires that the freedom of choice to marry not be restricted by invidious discrimination. That's on the first page of your order, Your Honor. Furthermore, with respect to the issue of a stay,
Well, Mr. Cohen, do you think that I should keep the stay in place to conform with Judge Hinkle's order opening the door for certificates as of tomorrow?
Judge Hinkle's order says that the Constitution requires the clerk to issue licenses and perform the ceremonies if that's what the clerk does, and his stay expires tomorrow. But he also says that the Constitution requires that the stay be lifted, and that the clerk of the court, without especially or specifically directing them to issue the licenses, makes it very clear that the clerk can suffer consequences by denying those license applications. With respect to whether it's today or tomorrow, I think it's significant for this court, having issued this monumental order, to take the step of dissolving the stay today. The clerk wants the clarification. The plaintiffs are ready to go and perform and have the marriages done. And another day where the plaintiffs do not have equal rights is a day that shames our country. This is from your order. The basic guarantees of our Constitution are warrants for the here and now. And unless there is overwhelmingly compelling reasons, they should be promptly fulfilled. The court therefore cannot deny same-sex couples their marital rights simply for the sake of the delay. And so, Your Honor, I think your own words are the best answer to the question that you've posed. Tomorrow, there will be marriages taking place all over the state of Florida. Dade County, Miami-Dade County needs to be in the forefront. These plaintiffs have waited long enough. The rules about stay indicate that the court has to balance the equities. We know there's no harm to the state if the stay is lifted today because the clerks have all said they will be issuing licenses tomorrow. But we also know that every day that the plaintiffs do not have equal rights that they are entitled to is a day of that really shames our county and our state. So sooner is better than later. Do you have any other questions that I can answer for you?
No, you answered my question.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Mr. Windsor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Having heard from both the clerk and also the plaintiffs, do you have any response?
I don't have anything to add, Your Honor. Judge Hinkle's order, which I believe was filed with the court, does go into effect at the end of the day today, or the lifting of the stay goes into effect at the end of the day today, and I understood the clerk's motion for clarification to request conformance with that, and how we understood it, but we will leave any clarification to your court's, to Your Honor's discretion.
So in the big picture, does it really matter whether or not I lift the stay or just leave it until tomorrow?
If you're asking me, Your Honor, not from our perspective.
Okay. Any response? Okay. I'm lifting the stay.
Your Honor, we have taken